This is the Mazar of Sufi Saint Kabir Das. Sufi Saint Kabir Das, who taught the lesson of humanity to the whole world, has a distinct identity in itself from the point of view of Maghar tourism. People from every corner of the country and abroad reach here and pay obeisance at Kabir's mausoleum and mazar built together here. Maghar is the identity of Hindu-Muslim unity. Saint Kabir Das Samadhi and Mazar located in Maghar, the place of death of Saint Kabir Das, remains the identity of Hindu-Muslim unity even today. Maghar town, located 8 kilometers east of Sant Kabir Nagar, does not need any introduction because in this small town the message of peace and brotherhood goes to the whole world in the name of Kabir. People from every corner of the country reach here to receive this message and to see Kabir's Samadhi and Mazar. The priest of Kabir Mutt, along with Kabir Panthi and followers, told that Kabir Das had come to Maghar to break the myth that those who die in Kashi go to heaven and those who die in Maghar go to hell. According to the followers of Kabir, to break this myth, he came from Banaras to the Maghar town of Sant Kabir Nagar and from here gave the message of communal unity to the people. There is a story of two flowers. Priest told that when Kabir Das sacrificed his life, there was a dispute between Hindus and Muslims regarding the last rite of his body. After this, there was an Akashvani, after which the dead body of Saint Kabir suddenly turned into two flowers. After which, the Hindu community built his tomb by taking one flower, while the Muslim community built a tomb with the other flower. Today, tourists from all over the world reach here. This is the statue of Saint Kabir. It is a historical place in Maghar. There is a tomb or mazar and a temple or samadhi of great Sant Kabir of 15th century. Kabir worked as a social reformer throughout his life. On coming here, one gets a chance to imbibe the messages of Kabir. The view here is very beautiful in itself. This is the cave where Saint Kabir used to practice his meditation. You can see this beautiful meditation cave. This meditation cave was used by Saint Kabir Das to practice his meditation. Now this cave is just decorated beautifully. You can see all around. You can see the statue of Saint Kabir. You can see the beautiful walls all decorated. You can see the sleepers of Saint also. These are the staircase to move forward. This is the exit gate of meditation cave. There is a small temple of Mother Sati situated near this cave. People come to this small temple of Mother Sati and just say some of their prayers. The temple is small but yet beautiful. This whole place is protected place. People from all over the world come to visit this beautiful place. This is the Samadhi Sthal of Saint Kabir Das. you can see people from various parts of the world and country come to pay their homage to Saint Kabir Das. This is the Samadhi of Saint Kabir in the temple. Very beautiful place. You can feel the peace, calm all around. It's really worth to visit this place. Thank you.